Can an $80 Vevor lawn sweeper pick up thousands of pine cones? Well, we're about to find out. So far, so good. About every tree we have out here in the Black Forest, for some reason this year, is dropping thousands of pine cones. As soon as I pick them up, or rake them up, is what we've been doing, they're dropping more. And it's a heck of a fire hazard. And obviously, with all the fires going on around the state, mitigating that risk is really important to us. Because you can just run a mower over these as I mow the grass, but then it chops them up and puts more wood debris out in the yard, which is no good. Plus, I don't like hitting them with the mower blades anyway. So we thought we'd try this angle, and I'm going to say so far so good. Yeah, sometimes it overshoots. If you get a little too over ambitious and get that little sweeper spinning too fast, it spits them over the back. I might put a little guard over that to stop that later. But this is a huge win. This is so much easier than raking because we don't have to pick up everything else in here. Plus, if I run it along the gravel drive, I can adjust the bottom of it and not pick up all the rocks, which is a huge plus. With our density of cones out here, it only takes approximately maybe 3 minutes to fill up the bag. And you can get, this wheelbarrow is an 8 cubic foot. And as you can tell, just 2 of these just almost overwhelms this wheelbarrow. This would have taken maybe 30 minutes or so to do by hand with a rake. And then you've got all that other nastiness raked up in all the grasses and pine needles, along with the rake, where this is pretty clean. Look at this, mostly good quality, really dried pine cones. And it's a hideous amount. And I don't know if anybody out there knows why on earth there's so many pine cones dropping this year in the Black Forest. Let me know. I don't know if it's El Nino or what's going on, but definitely a lot of cones. And the trees are still full and dropping them every day. And this, as we're filming this, is it's the end of June, so it may never stop. But now we throw them in the mulcher, if we can get this fired up, and we'll turn it into some nice garden mulch or plants or whatever you want, or even decorative. It really looks nice. And the rest of them we'll use as fire starter for our wood stove. Okay, well, as you can see, we took that entire wheelbarrow, so about 8 cubic feet, probably more, and turned it into a decent 5-gallon bucket. And obviously it would be more if we folded up our blanket and funneled it in. But look at the quality of this thing. All natural, extremely fine. It really works good at keeping weeds out. You know, I mulch around my fruit trees with this. Much of our vegetable garden, I'll mulch with that. And it's been working really good. Once you get water on there, it mats down really tight. And the greatest part is it's something we have to do anyway. Most people throw these away. These pine cones, they bag them up. It's ridiculous. I'll have 5 or 6, 7 bags out for the trash guy. But not only do the mulch we appreciate, but like I say, I use the pine cones as fire starters and even firewood. I'll bundle the whole thing up and just fill up the wood stove with these pine cones. No splitting. They're light. They're easy to gather. And since we heat with wood anyway, it just augments that less propane use, and it cleans up around the ranch here. And for some reason, like I say, this year the Black Forest is just weighed down with pine cones everywhere. Almost every tree we have has thousands of cones beneath it. So this winter could be mostly a pine cone fire every time we do it, just to get rid of them. So anyhow, hope you got something out of this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 10 subscribers by the end of the year, so that'll help our goals a bunch, and we'll just catch you on the next one.